On average, we are stuck in traffic for over a year of our lives. So I have come up with a solution. I am going to recycle, turning these scrap minis into an actual business. So there are 32 million cars driving on the roads in the UK and only about 100 boats. So I have seen a gap in the market. To bypass these traffic jams, I need to create a vehicle which travels on both land and water. But first, the business plan. So this is all about the really important business plan. Business plan. So it's all about recycling as our main issue. That's what we're trying to do, is save the earth, make it greener. World domination, obviously high on our list, but we've got to find a face. We need to find a celebrity to endorse the product. So there's obviously things we've got to consider, problems, but we'll overcome them.
How are you going to make it float?
Got that covered as well. So the man who has already worked all this out for me is a guy called Archimedes. All about buoyancy. FB, buoyant force. Easy equation for B equals minus Pajuva. So gravity coming this way, fluid coming this way, mini in the middle, buoyant. So Archimedes, the mathematician, was all about the apple and the feather.
No. That was Isaac Newton and gravity.
Can we just check Google? So the mathematician Archimedes proved this. With a denser liquid, the car floats. But whilst water, it sinks.
The canals are made of normal water, not spaghetti hoops.
Not spaghetti, but is this me my water bottle or silly old dada?
Actually, water bottles. Good thinking. So we've Senna's idea of the bottles on. Let's see if it floats. Yes, success. We have the foolproof idea now, we just need the financial backing to execute. So we have got to make this sales pitch exciting so that everybody invests. This is going to be the changing of everybody's future, and including yours. Instagram, Mark McCann 64, you can be a part of this. You haven't surely got shorts on, have you?
No.
Super. Right. So this is the first viewing of the promotion video for a new business which I've not shared with you yet. Reese, hit it.
Have you ever wanted to commit tax evasion?
No. That's it.
I am Mark McCann, CEO, co-CEO, founder, co-founder, investor, director, and the big cheese of this exciting new venture. Did you know you spend over 1 year sat in traffic? And I have found a way to revolutionise the automobile. So I introduce to you Amphibious, neglected automobile limited. Yes, we turn scrap cars that nobody wants into amphibious vehicles. Yes, hassle-free cruising on the waterways across the UK. Where do we get these vehicles to convert? I hear you ask. Every day, 5,000-ish cars go to the scrapyard due to them not having a full MOT. However, on water, you don't need an MOT. You don't need no tax. And I know you're the type of people who like to avoid paying tax. Howdy, my name's Johnny Depp. I fully endorse anything the hero Mark McCann says. He is an absolute genius and a very handsome man. You're simply the best. So what do you think?
You're going to end up in court.
Why?
Johnny Depp.
He asked me. My friends and family loved it, so now all I had to do was get some permission to use some water. Surely it can't be that hard. I just want to sort of book a slot to test a new business I've got, if that's possible, please.
I don't know. You'd have to ask Karen. Have you got Karen's phone number?
I could search for it on the internet. Is it just Karen?
Is it Passage? Is it the last name?
Oh, you're asking me? I'm not sure.
Yeah, I ain't sure. I just know her as Karen.
You could winch it, like tie it to a tree and pull it out.
Not on our property, you couldn't.
What about, would you sort of like be able to help sell them as well?
We don't get involved with the sale of boats, unfortunately.
Yeah, face to face you might. Would I just be able to do it if you didn't see? I'm just struggling to get anybody to allow me to do it, and I thought maybe you'd be the man.
Not really, mate, I'm afraid.
Is there people supervising the lake at night times?
No.
Has somebody thought of this idea before?
Not that specific idea, here, but we do have people who.
Is that the sailing club?
And I'm pretty sure he wouldn't be very keen on it. You can go directly to Sandwell Valley Country Park.
But you've spoken to the sailing centre. They haven't got a problem with it.
There's absolutely no way is a no. We just isn't possible.
With the backing of the local authority, we cracked on with the build. The car frame. How the hell am I going to measure this? That'd be a lot easier. 48 inches long, 55 inches wide. Right, let's get manufacturing.
Come on!
Absolutely bang on.
Too big, 16.
Oh, whoa. Simple as that. Yeah. We did some professional modifications and I saw some parts from a Sunseeker super yacht.
Yeah, Jesus.
He's actually on. That was easy. All we've done is fit a steering wheel. This is going to be the air intake, which is going to be above the line of the water. Beautiful. Okay, so steer wheel, paddle, wheel spins, pushes water, car goes forward.
How'd you steer it?
I reckon if you turn the wheels, then that'll like rotate the car.
Bad idea.
Got any warning lights? Every single one. The old steering's not too clever. How was the horn just worked? Water gets in the smallest of holes, so we made the craft watertight with the ingenious solution of adding some sealant.
Doing a good job there, lads.
Yeah, I forgot you about useless of chocolate teapot.
Here you go.
How are we going to get in?
How are you going to get in?
We've duct taped the doors up. Ow! Ow!
Have you noticed he's standing on the bit he's cutting?
Yeah. Ow! Oh look, these are made of cardboard. That's ridiculous.
Why 5 barrels?
It was cleverly calculated for 5 barrels.
Was it?
It's just how many I could fit around the outside of the car. That's actually a lot higher than all the others, isn't it?
It needs to be lower.
No, because now that's going to dip in, which is going to put more traction on the front.
If you say so.
So last night Jane had a serious talk with me. Obviously I'm a dad now and I've got responsibilities. So I've been to Argos and I've come up with a safety backup. Just in case. This lifeboat should keep her happy, and a happy wife is a happy life. One thing I've learned over the years is company branding is the key to a successful business. I'm happy with that, especially on the back door.
You're simply the best. Better than all the rest.
Okay, so how long have you been friends with Mark? Yeah.
So I've been friends with Mark for a while now, and this is probably the stupidest thing he's done.
So what has he asked you to do with this new company?
He's asked me to invest in it, but I'm invested already in time. So I feel that I still don't want any part of it, to be honest.
He's asked me to invest in it, but just... I can't believe how disappointed I am actually in like this prototype. It's just not what he sold it to me as, if I'm honest with you.
You know he's remortgaged the house for it.
Pardon?
He's remortgaged the house.
Ma?
I named the ship Oriana.
Prototype 1. Whoa!
Should have called it wings because it's going to need them.
Ready? Throw it. So everything rests on this moment now. Our home, our future.
Where are we going to live?
I can't actually get in. Okay, so we have an issue with getting in.
Shall I remove the strap?
I can't get to it now. I have to only sell it to people who are 12 stone and under.
You're not going to walk.
Why did you panto me?
All the blood, sweat and tears have come down to this one moment. Please, Prototype 1, float. I feel this is undermining my my design. Do you reckon they're sat on the edge of their seats now going,
Pass me the strap so it doesn't get wrecked.
what do you mean? That's all I need is negativity at last second.
I might as well hook it on the back, ready?
Do you reckon we should give him some words of encouragement? This is going to fail. This will not work.
I'm glad I've got the backing of all my family and friends.
You say that.
That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to sail the 7 seas. Here we go! The engine's cut out.
You got no power?
No, it's floating as well.
As if it's actually floating.
It works, kinda. Show me the jump path before it's too late. We've got a bit of issue in the cab now.
You full of water now?
Yeah. Why are the windows going up? A good captain always goes down with his ship.
That's right. You're not allowed to abandon ship.
I'm doing the emergency procedure. I'm abandoning ship. See you next Tuesday, 7 PM.